This video is brought to you by Westpac Lifestyle, but more on them later.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Des and this is Sultan Style. Guys, so it's Hayden and my 6th-year wedding anniversary, and I thought since we're going to be at home, we might as well just do a cute little intimate, romanticated picnic that's going to be super special and super easy, but really, really pretty. And I thought I'd show you how I'm going to make it look really, really pretty. So join me and we will surprise the husband later when he comes home. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to start off is with our base, and I like using different layers, layering the base with different textures and different items. So you'll see what I do, but I start off with these kind of matte. I think my mom got this at like Mozambique or something for like the beach something, I don't know, but we've been using it for very, very long, and I always use it just for these kind of like, if you know you're going to be sitting on the grass or something like that. Okay, then I've got like this shaggy rug that's just going to bring in a bit of texture. I'm going to use a white blanket just to bring in some more white and create balance on the other side of the grass. Okay guys, then just to create a bit of height so that we can eat properly and not eat on the floor, I'm going to use these pallets, which is a really great, cheap, easy way of creating height. That is easy. Do it the other way. Okay guys, I'm exhausted already. I think I've got splinters in my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we're gonna carry on. I'll be back. Okay, so now we want some comfy cushions to sit on because we want to be comfortable at our picnic. I'm also going to use scatter cushions just to make it look pretty. I think that's enough now. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just create a bit of height to be able to put like the food platters and stuff like that on. So we get that height, gives it dimension, you know, same, you know, styling is styling. Whether you're styling a cabinet or picnic, it's the same. We want height, we want texture, we want all of that. Guys, these wooden crates are really, really great. Not just for storage, but also like to be able to put things on for styling. It just gives you that height, you know. So, I mean, I just don't want everything at the back here. I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, Westpac Lifestyle. So get down to one of their nationwide stores and check out this amazing brand. Thanks Westpac Lifestyle. Back to the video. The husband is calling me. Hello? Hi, my love.
Are you?
Fine, are you?
Where are you?
I'm at home.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Okay, we're going to put a tablecloth on now. Placemats. And underplates. This. This. Now for the finishing touches. Jars for candles. I think all that we need now is just like the platter type things. But that'll do when Hayden is here. For now, I'm gonna get ready quickly before he comes and then surprise him. Okay guys, so I just got ready quickly. How cute is my outfit? You know, it's got picnic vibes. I'm just gonna put the final touches on before Hayden comes up. Just quickly gonna wash this. Okay guys, I think Hayden just came home. Let's go see. Let's go surprise him. I heard his car. But now we'll wait. Happy anniversary! Hi, buddy. How are you? Is it pretty?
Hey.
Let me go get the food and then we can like sit over here. Thank you, thank you. Oh shit. So bro. I mean, this was. Eish. Oh, I'm losing grapes. I'm sorry, I know those are your favorite. Grapes are your favorite. Put that, you can put that there. Thanks, Mama. I'll just fix it pretty. Now we can sit. Oh, you can get that lighty thingy for the candles, please. Please, buddy. And then I'm gonna take photos. You stole my suit, I'll change the pillows. I'm the wifey. What do you want to drink? No, on my new outfit. Thanks, bud. It's pretty, eh? Did I do a good job? Guys, that's our romanticated intimate little picnic that we're having at home for our anniversary. Do you like the surprise?
It's amazing.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a comment and let me know what you thought of my picnic idea. And if you do any picnic ideas, let me know. Share your tips. We're gonna now enjoy our anniversary. We'll see you soon. Bye.